2020, right? Time to take spooky displays to the next level.
And you can use technology to turn your haunted house into a smart one. Joining us live with some tips is home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery. Good morning, Kathryn.
Good morning, ladies. I heard you talking about what you're scared of, so we're not going to scare you, but we're just going to use smart home technology to get in the game of decorating. I got some awesome things to show you.
Yeah, where should we start?
Well, let's start with what is the easiest thing, this smart plug. What I love about this smart plug is anything that you plug into this smart plug automatically becomes a smart home device. So think about it, an appliance, a lamp, whatever you plug in there is going to be smart, including your holiday decor. So think about all those lights outside for Halloween or inflatables, Christmas, any holiday, and you can also connect it to your artificial intelligence. So Echo, I have Echo here, but here we go. We're going to have her turn it off. Echo, turn off Halloween. So you can see there. So she just turned everything off for Echo. She's not listening. Turn off Halloween. Play nice with me. Play nice with me, Echo. We're on television.
Oh,
anyway,
no, I think your Echo's haunted.
Seriously, she chooses whether or not to listen, but you get the drift. So any smart plug device, you can control it from your phone. So as well. So when she's not listening, the device will listen. So now that we've done that, there we go. See, I take it into your own hands, right?
Right.
But anyway, so now let's talk about, so you get the gist there with the smart plug. So let's talk about creating like some cool ambiance. So these full color light strips are so awesome because you can put them around a doorway, you can put them around a window, you can put them around the top of your room, around a TV, and then you get a million different colors and you can really create a cool scene. Like check out that room there, a cool Halloween scene. Again, you can control it via your phone. No hubs are required for these items. You just plug them right in and then you get to control it via your phone. You can set schedules, you can set timers, you can group them. So just a really fun way to create that kind of that spooky mood for Halloween. And since we're using these items, we might as well let our light bulbs get in on the game, right? Because it's something that we use every day. So I love this full color smart bulb because it will do all these different colors here, as you can see. So it can go from orange to purple. See, here you go. So you can see here, you can set all the different colors. Isn't that cool? And again, no hub required, ladies. You just screw it right in. What I love is when you're done with the holidays, you get all the regular colors. So that bright daylight for like invigorating, putting on your makeup, or that warm white for relaxing. It even has dimmability built right into it. So these are all C by GE. And as I mentioned, you can schedule them, you can group them all. But I just love the functionality that afterwards you get all those different cool features right there in your light bulb.
Those are really cool. Okay, so you've got lighting that sets some ambience. Let's continue the mood with some music, huh?
Yes, I love it. Thank you. So why not get music? We're on the light bulb theme right out of your light bulb. So this is LED plus. We got a little monster mash going on over here.
Nice.
But the nice thing is it's a regular light bulb. And then you can, again, just screw it in. You compare it to whatever device you want to hear your music from. You can install up to 10 of these and get a surround sound speaker. So just an awesome thing to have. So think about like as people are walking up, you could have Monster Mash, Thriller, Halloween music. You can just drive your neighbors crazy, or they'll love you, whatever.
That's so cool.
It's like the holidays or not, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So go into Lowe's, you can see all this stuff and play with it in person. But I just love using lighting that we use every day to use those extra features like that built-in speaker, colors. It really just adds that extra ambiance. So now let's talk about pumpkin carving. Are you ladies carving pumpkins this year?
I always leave that to my husband.
Thinking about it, but I'm on the fence because it's always so messy.
It is messy.
Same. I do not enjoy carving pumpkins. However, I have a way that you can do it with a lithium ion drill that's going to make it so fun. So see what I did there? I hollowed out the bottom, took out the guts as usual. Then I put a beater on the end of the drill, got rid of all those guts because that's the worst part. And then you can create all these cool designs. So I love lithium ion batteries on drills because they really do make them lightweight and portable. And then you can just go ahead and go on in. So you'll see I have some pictures here. There's like a boo, you know, whatever you want to do. If you want to do a face, it's not your traditional carving, you know, which is, I think, pretty tedious. So why not use the power of lithium ion to get it done and have a little fun in the process, right?
I've never thought about using a drill, but this is a good idea. Yeah, Kathryn, with some great tips and information. Good to check in with you and make our home, our haunted houses a little smarter. Thank you.
Smart home, yeah.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Happy holidays.
And of course, we will have some links to everything she talked about on KOIN.com.
All right, 8:43 right now on AM Extra.